Hi, hello friends. Welcome back to my channel Chop and Choose Kitchen at Bakes.com. Today I am here with a new recipe, that is Chatpata Aloo Bonda. When you hear this, you will feel like eating. When I am telling itself, your feeling will be like eating. Chatpata Aloo Bonda. Now let's take a quick look at the ingredients for the Aloo Bonda recipe. Now I have taken one bowl full of potato. I have boiled this with 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric and a little bit water. I have boiled this, mashed this and kept. 2 medium size of onions. I have cut this and kept again. And we are going to take grated ginger. This much of piece I have taken. You have to grate this very finely and I have kept here. 1 big green chilli. I have cut that also very fine. And in this, we are going to add the chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, black salt, and we need chaat masala for that. And we need garam masala, a little bit of garam masala, and we need curry leaves, freshly coriander leaves, and some mustard seeds. We need water to mix the flour, bhaji bonda flour. I have taken this brand. So you can do it at home itself if you want. You can take the gram flour, add 1 tablespoon of chili powder in that, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of asafoetida powder. If you want to make the bhaji powder at home, these are the ingredients. You can mix it well and then you can make. But today I have taken this brand. Now I am going to do with this only. And the required oil we are going to take. Now let's see the procedure how to make. In a pan is heated. We will add oil into that. The potato masala again should not be very gravy. It should be thick. It should not be in gravy type. Please see to that. I am adding oil in this. I have taken 5 tablespoons of oil in this. If we want to add oil more, we will see when the masala, while the masala is getting fried. I am adding 1 tablespoon of mustard. Now let this flutter. In this, I am adding the curry leaves which I have taken. I am adding the onions, 2 onions which I have kept. The onion should not be fully fried. Only 50% of the onion should be fried. Then only the taste of the bonda will be good. Aloo bonda will be very good. So don't fry too much. Only 50% we are going to fry up this. Now my onions are fried. 50% fried. Now I am going to add chili powder. Only half of small teaspoon I am adding. See to this. Half tablespoon of turmeric powder. Let this be fried nicely. And with this, I am adding the green chilies which I have cut and kept. And I am adding the ginger too, grated ginger too. Now I will fry this. The oil should not be very more. See my mixture, how it is. Now the raw smell of the chili powder and the turmeric powder has gone. Now in this stage we will add the potatoes which I have boiled and kept. Add the potatoes. Now add some salt. I have added salt before itself in the potatoes. So check for the seasoning. I am adding a pinch of salt again. because we are going to add black salt also in this. Add a little bit of black salt in this and a half a tablespoon of chaat masala goes in this. Add the coriander. Before that, I am going to add the garam masala also. A half tablespoon goes into this. Add the coriander. Switch off the flame. Now give this some nice mix and take it in a bowl. Now I have transferred this in a bowl. Transferred this potato masala in a bowl. Look at the texture. It's not oily and it is thick also. We are going to make balls, so it should be in thick only. Meanwhile, while we are making the balls, we will take a pan of oil. In this I have taken half a liter of oil and let this oil be heated up for some time. I have taken one full packet of bonda mix, and in this consistency I have made. It is not too thick nor very watery. Look at this consistency. Only half a cup of water I have added with a pinch of soda in this. Soda is optional. If you want to use soda, you can add. Otherwise, don't use. In the ready-made pack, we have all the ingredients. So, I have not mixed anything in that. Only a pinch of soda only I have added. Now, I have made this potato balls into small size. We are going to dip this balls in the batter, in the bonda batter, and then we are going to fry this up nicely in the heated oil which I have kept. Now dip this ball in the batter. Now we are going to add this. Be careful while dropping the balls. Only it takes a minute to get this ball fried up. I have kept the flame low. The potato ball should be covered with the batter nicely. So roll it, dip the balls. Now cooking very good. It is spending very wow till it becomes golden brown. We will keep this in the oil. Now it looks golden brown. We will take this from the oil and we will serve it in a bowl. Now I have served this in a bowl. These chatpata aloo bondas served with the sauce will be very good with a cup of tea, hot tea. I'll show you how it has come. This goes very well with the sauce. Hope you enjoyed my video. Like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, it's bye from Chop and Choose Kitchen at bakes.com.